Hey guys, Jason Scrillera from CPP, and anytime you drop that LS into that hot rod, you're gonna need to bring fuel from the rear of that car all the way up to the engine. In front of me, it's Classic Performance's complete kit, line, regulator, all the fittings you're gonna need. Another cool thing about this regulator, it's also a filter. This will put out 58 PSI and then return right back into the tank what's not used. And these cool little fittings here, simply press them on, screw them in. This one presses in itself and locks. Now you're all Dash 6 ready to go. And when I say it's complete, it's complete. Also has the fittings for your fuel pump, 1/4-inch MPT, screw those in, Dash 6 male coming out. Everything is push lock, high quality rubber, makes for an easy installation. All that's left for you to do, order yours now, get it installed, fire it up.